This laser beam expander and focusing lens supports 20x/30x range adjustment. Made of CNC machined aluminum alloy with hard anodized finish and laser double scales for accurate focus. Multi-coated 915976164 nm high transmittance lens ensures superb focusing effect. Built-in sealed damping ring and integrated structure prevents slipping. Matches standard M220 75 thread interface for easy installation. This 20x zoom beam expander fits 130mm range. K9 lens with double-sided 12+12 layers broadband coating. 5301100 nm wide wavelength. Transmittance over 99%. Anti-drop telescopic design. M220 75 thread. Stable and heat-free. ESMA 905 fiber collimating and focusing laser lens with anodized aluminum housing. 50mm large aperture, stretchable from 125mm to 158mm. Wide focusing range, stretch for long distance focusing and collimation, retract for beam expansion lighting. Minimum focus distance 1.5 meter, adjustable telescopic design with limit stop, fitted with gold-plated ESMA 905 rear base. X laser for shooting beam expander, special for pump source. 70mm aperture, M42 interface, fits 1001000W power, 5301100 nm wavelength. Quartz lens with double-sided nano coating, transmittance over 99%. Precise thread adjustment, 360 rotary focusing with clear scale, smooth adjustment and large stretch range. Features 80x beam expansion for steady 100 m ultra-long distance laser transmission. It optimizes beam divergence, avoids light scattering and weak far-field energy. Push-pull focus adjustment plus rotary fine-tuning ensures high precision and concentrated laser energy. 80x high magnification beam expander supports 100 m long range emission. 70mm large aperture with coated quartz lens, heat dissipating alloy body and dual thread interfaces. High precision and durable, ideal upgrade part for professional laser pump sources.